Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the 10 best free tools you can use to absolutely crush it on Amazon KDP. We're talking research, design, formatting, and publishing, all without spending a single dollar on software. Whether you're publishing low-content books, children's stories, or self-help guides, this video has tools you can use. 1. Amazon Autosuggest. This is the foundation of smart SEO. Go to Amazon.com, start typing coloring pages for, and watch the drop-down reveal popular search queries. That's real buyer language. 2. Google Trend. Next, head to Google Trends. Type your phrase, say coloring pages, and compare it to coloring book for kids or coloring book for adults. You'll see interest over time and seasonal patterns. For example, coloring book peak in January and September. That means publishing before those spikes could dramatically increase sales. Three. ChatGPT as keyword idea generator. Now, enter ChatGPT, the AI-powered assistant. Prompt it with, list 10 low-competition Amazon KDP keyword for coloring book for kids. The tool will generate highlight list. Four. Ubersuggest free. Next, try Ubersuggest's free tier from Neil Pate's site. Type one of your ChatGPT results, for instance, coloring book for kids, and see the search volume and idea suggestions. It won't give you full data unless you pay, but the free info is enough to spot high-potential opportunities. Show how to scan keyword difficulty and pick winners. Five. Canva, free for design covers and interiors. Next step, make your book look or feel like a pro, but don't pay a penny. Use Canva's free plan. Choose a free font and add text, bullet journal pages, lined pages, easily created with built-in grids or assets. Walk through step by step while highlighting free elements. 6. Creative Fabrica Freebies. For eye-catching assets, check out Creative Fabrica Free section. You can download fonts, doodles, decorative frames, perfect for planners or children's books. Seven. BookBolt free trial. You can also sign up for BookBolt free trial. It includes a cover designer and interior wizard. Then cancel the trial. Eight. Grammarly. Polish your work with Grammarly free version. It catches grammar and spelling issues. Is essential for children's books. Nine. Pinterest. For imagery-driven books, like planners or children's stories, Pinterest is a gold mine. Create 5 to 10 pin templates in Canva. Add keywords in the pin's title and description. Then post. 10. Helium 10 Free Chrome Extension. Helium 10 originally designed for Amazon sellers, but it's also incredibly useful for KDP publishers. Just install the extension and head to Amazon. Search results for keywords. Once loaded, click the extension to get estimated monthly sales. Thanks for watching this full Amazon KDP free tools. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.